Hey guys, what's up? So today in our this video, we are going to review and unbox it for our formality a Lenovo Yoga Tab 3 Plus, and there are some extra accessories here, this and this. So today we are going to unbox it just for fun, and then we are going to review that. We spent our 2 years about using these three things, so let's go. And you watch till the end, and we have a new this smartwatch. We are going to unbox it in our next video, so let's go. So here is our three things. So at first, come one by one. Here is our, you can see, Lenovo Yoga Tab cover, Tab 310 cover. So see the Tab 3 style protection. Wow, style protection cover. So the box is so much naughty. So let's unbox it. Dun, dun. So here is our cover. You can see it is written as yoga. So here you can see it is good quality one, and here is some magnet by which it attracts. So we have to just give pressure. So here you can see this cover, good quality. Here you can give your name here, so that thief can thief Lenovo. So we keep it aside. Then our comes this mysterious box. So I am showing you that it is a keyboard, model 10BT keyboard. It is from Bangladesh, our country. It is 346 gram. So here you can see the specification. You can remember it. Then if you open it, here we have opened it. This nothing in this box, so keep it aside. Here are some specification, sticker, manual guide, you can use it. And here is also a menu, Bluetooth keyboard. Okay, I said to forget that it's Bluetooth keyboard. Here you can see it. So now let's come to our keyboard. Remove the foam. Then is our, you can see the keyboard. So here is our keyboard after cutting down. Here is our keyboard. Now see it nicely. So here is power on or off button, power off or on button, and there is charging port. It is USB type B. Then it is a leather coating. After using it, some scratches are there, and there is nothing. So here is our touchpad. You can also use it as mouse. It's nice. I used it. So to connect with Bluetooth, you have to press FN, then this Bluetooth. Then the tab will connect with the Bluetooth. And you can see there are some other function here. So now here comes our Yoga Tab 3 Plus. So here it is Lenovo branding. So here you can see this some things. So at first specification. Here your CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 652 up to 1.8 GHz. Then your display is 25.5 cm, 2560 and 1600 IPS LCD panel. Then there is memory of 3GB and 32GB. And it comes from Android 6.0. So here I am going to tell a funny thing that today we are going to the next level about Android 12. Here you can see 2K screen and Dolby Atmos sound and 80 hours battery life. So let's open it. So here if you open it, so here you can see a charger and the charger cable, so it is USB type C, so it charges fastly. So I tell you that there was a box here for the charger case, so we have just lost it, so we keep it aside. So at first we keep the tab aside, then here are some panels. So if there is a quick start manual. So here you can see this, some guide. If you have leisure time, you can read this. So we keep it under. So there is nothing to work with this. Now here is our tab. So you can see tab, but the most interesting thing is here. Here is a leather cover was there. So after using for several, the cover fall down and we have just lost the cover. So at first I am not going under. I am going to show the display here. You can see the display. I showed you in the specification. Here is our selfie camera. Here is our sound bar. Its sound quality is good, and the interesting thing is this thing. Here you can move it aside like this way, this way, this way. You can show it. There are some stickers there, so that we have lost those stickers. So here is a SIM tray tool. You can here use any SIM here, and here is some camera, and here is 3.5mm jack, and here is USB type C port for charging. By using these two, you can power, you can sound up and down, and here is our main switch power button. So after pressing it, so after opening it, here you can see this tab. We have used some things here. So here you can see, and if you want to see the camera, so you can see the camera section. So here is our camera. Then nothing to say this, it is a good quality, but now I am going to tell you about its disadvantages. So you can see, like after pressing it there, the button has the problem that sometimes after pressing it doesn't open nicely. So here you can see it is not opening. Now after pressing hardly, it opens. So it has some button problem there. You can see it is a nice key for going anywhere. You can just click it and just so here you can see this. You may think this is a much good quality one camera, and you can use it so much nicely if you want. So but this is not actually. It is so much old generation that I can tell you ever. So here it's after using 2 years, the screen works so much slowly. So it works so slowly. I'm showing you just. So here I am going to show some gaming. So here we just. So here I have played several times PUBG. You can see the PUBG run out. Then the PUBG doesn't support it very much really, and so here I am going to show you how to play this. You will like this. So you can see the gaming condition. I played Free Fire, but this doesn't work anyway.